Alright, what's going on? I'm gonna be doing a trade recap for yesterday's trading day because I didn't get to it yesterday. Just woke up, so it may sound a little fucked up, but it's okay. Um, Going into yesterday, um, I wanted to see lower price, so I was pretty bearish. Um, which did end up happening. I really just wanted to see us come down to London low. That was kind of the main area I was looking for. Oh, damn, sorry. I'm tired. Oh well. Okay. Main main area was this London low, but we did have this previous day high resting right here that I thought we were gonna end up taking. Or at least inversing this hourly fair value gap right here. So once again, I really wanted to see what we were gonna do off this hourly fair value gap. I wanted to see because I mean it's pretty basic shit right here. Like we're making lower highs, so like we're in a downtrend, right? Which is good. It's what I wanted to see. I've been wanting to see this gap get filled for forever now. Um, so we came all the way back up there like pre-market. Looked like we were about to take this previously high, and then we like wicked it out on the hourly and ended up closing back in it. And this is a fat wick too. So like I was like, wow, okay, that's a really good sign that we're gonna actually go lower and we're gonna want to see lower prices. So that was kind of like the first indicator we could have seen. Um, and then there was really only like one trade you could have taken, which is like right here, which is like literally immediately on market open. Um, was like this inverse. I was looking at maybe taking this 5 minute inverse here, which actually would have worked, but there just wasn't a whole lot of price action. Like we had an SMT at these lows, so we could have just came back down in the fair value gap and then ran back up on the next hourly candle. So I didn't do that. Um, Ended up waiting and waiting, and we actually really didn't get um, really any kind of retrace at all. We were just pumping down, and we still had like a pretty big. We had a SMT with ES quite like through all of this, which was interesting. Um, but it was like it was one of those days where like price was moving so well. It was like there was objectives for both of them to go lower, and ES went lower towards like previous day lows, and so did NQ. But anyways, I'm gonna say right now is a very bad day on emotions in my psychology side of trading. The actual execution part was great, like good trade, boom, boom, boom. Um, yeah, I was just like tweaking yesterday, not gonna lie. But anyways, so look at this. We actually got a retrace right here. Where okay, sorry, I'm confused with price action right now. Yeah, here's our retrace. So this is what I entered off of, right? So we came back up. We tapped into this unfilled 5 minute gap right here, okay? There was a trade. Where the hell's price, bro? God damn it. Okay. I wanted to take this trade right here, this inverse right here. This would have been the ideal entry, and then we would have absolutely got the objective. I did not get in that entry because it moved so fast. What I instead got in on was this 2 minute inverse right here. So we had a 2 minute inverse right here, and then a little change in state. So I got filled probably like down here. I didn't get the best fill. So this is the trade I was taking. Um, let me put the. It was about a, let's see, I had it right resting above that for value gap right there. So about a 1 to 2. Pretty solid. Let me show you all the executions. If executions want to get shown, does this shit want to just, fuck around? Where? I don't even know. This is freaking tweaking me out right now. This is a trade I took. I took it, and the trade was not in drawdown, or it was in drawdown for the entire time for the first, I would say, long bit I was in it. So you can kind of see that we were chopping around. And mind you, that we did have SMT with ES at London low, but I really wanted to see NQ take it, and we had continuously shown displacement to the downside. We hadn't shown any sign of us reversing. So it was valid and for a trade in my sense. When we were doing this, I thought, oh, maybe it wasn't valid. I like this. This is like not. This is not a good trade. Like yada yada. Start convincing myself to things on why I shouldn't be in the trade and to get out of the trade any chance I had. So whenever we kind of came right back close to where my break even was, I just took the position off, got out of the trade for like $100 loss, and was like, it's $100 loss. It's okay. It's like no big deal, no big deal. Like I can, $100 isn't anything. Like I don't want to be in this trade anymore. And then immediately about 2 seconds after that, we ripped down all the way to take profit, and that absolutely fucked me. So I genuinely don't know. I've done this like 2 times in the past week, so I really am like, I don't know what I'm doing. It's bad. It's all psychological and just fucking emotions hitting, bro. And I don't. It sucks. I'm gonna be honest. And then I did something even worse, y'all. I re-entered right off this candle right here, or this one. I re-entered for like a 1 to 1, like this, because I was like, man, I'm done with this shit. Like I don't even care if I take another loss. Basically, I was like revenge trading slash tilting, like mini tilts. Like I wasn't like crazy crazy. I wasn't like full porting that shit. But I took it with like three minis or three micros, and it hit TP. Um, so all being said, it was a very bad day on my emotional and psychological side of trading. I broke a lot of fucking rules. Um, I came out with a profit, but it was an absolute losing day in every freaking scenario, man. Every scenario was a losing day, and I need to stop doing that shit and just trade, bro, and like follow your fucking rules. It's like not even that hard. I have my whole ass whiteboard where I can literally see it every morning where it says be an observer. Only take your model, only take your setup. Stop breaking your rules, bro. It is not that hard. Do not have FOMO. There's going to be 1,000 other chances to make money in the market, like in the future. Like, know why the market moves. I have all this shit written right there, man, with a nice quote too. Like, it's just, I don't know. I'm tweaking. It's hard, but we're gonna have a better day today. We're gonna lock in and go figure this shit out. So yeah, that was yesterday's recap.